Thanks for joining my channel again. It is freezing in my garage. Holy cow. Anyway, I think it's like 20 degrees outside, 15 degrees or something. Minus 8, minus 6. I don't know. I always get the Fahrenheit and Celsius thing completely confused. Well, it's freezing, but I have a cool little unboxing. It's a cool video, I hope. Hope it turns out to be a cool video. But with my progression with my Jeep Rubicon, I'm trying to figure out Jeep. People get mad when I say just Jeep Rubicon. It's got to be Gladiator as well. So my Gladiator fans out there, you gotta, props to Gladiators. Anyway, with this, I had CBs in all my Jeeps, and I've hated every CB in all my Jeeps. The wire, the this, the that, I could never hear. I would try and tune it, I don't know how many different times. And seriously, as soon as one of my buddies got maybe a mile or two down the road or a click or two down the road, I couldn't hear them. It was muffled, it wasn't very loud, so I thought I want to do something different, something more military-ish, as it were. Just something better for communication is what it goes down to. So I did some research, and these radios come super highly informed? No.
A few minutes later.
Highly recommended, that's it. So highly recommended is how these radios come. So if you do some searches and stuff, you'll too find that this particular radio is what everybody wants. So without further ado, let's open them up and see what we get. All right, so here's the box. I don't have any cool knives. I guess I should get cool knives. So when you see unboxing videos, people are always like, because they're horrible sound effects. I have a box cutter. So let's just open these guys up. Maybe I'll put sound effects in after. Gotta love that prime. Actually, I'll leave that out just in case I need my trusty box cutter. Wow, such a large box for another small box. Let's see here. Do I need, maybe, without destroying what's inside here. See, if I had a Rambo knife, I could have killed myself just then. God, they did a great job. Good God. Maybe I do need a Rambo knife. Okay, all right. Good God, hold on. All right, next Amazon unboxing will be a Rambo knife. Oh, here we go. Oh yeah. And I bought 2 of them. So, one for me, one for my buddies or my wife, whoever comes out with me. All right, well, this is the one we pulled off first. Let me see if I can just angle this better. Let's see if that's a little bit better. All right. Looky, looky, looky. That's pretty cool. Little baby radios. But you know what I like? Boom, boom, boom. It's camouflage. You can't buy a radio unless it's camouflage. Look at that. Isn't that sick? All right, what else do you get? So there's the radio and battery. Okay. Cool. So there's the antenna. There is, got a headset. Well, not a headset. You know what I mean? Like a little headset. Nothing crazy. Well, there's the back of it, right? Backing for your belt loop. And there's I don't know. I think that is. Oh, and then we got the charging unit. The charging unit right here. Not bad at all. So there's your charging unit. So there we go. That's everything in the box. Oh yeah. Now we'll hook it up and we'll try it out and we'll maybe add that to this video. It's also going in my Jeep, so I will have a video later on showing you how it's going to mount in my Jeep. Well, here's the radio. It's so small. I put the battery in already just to get it in there. I got another one, so maybe I'll I'll open that up and show you the battery. It just slides in the back. It's super easy. Aerial just screws on. It's a very small aerial. You can get even smaller ones, I think. But I don't know how small you'd want to go. This radio is already like mini. But look at that, eh? That is so cool. It's like so tiny. It's pretty cool. Now, of course, oh wow, welcome. Has a little welcome screen. Looks like the battery's already charged right out of the bat. Again, I'll have to do some more research because, you know, these guys are new to me. I've never used a little radio like this in my Jeep before, so I'll have to check it out. It's got good signal. At least it said it did. Yeah, full bars. Awesome. All right, so stay tuned, and we'll do some more fun things with this guy and its brother or sister. Well, I just noticed something. This is inside the box. You actually get, this is a crazy kit. This kit actually gives you a way longer aerial as well. That's crazy. That's crazy. Let's just switch this out. I'm just curious to see. That's awesome. So it gives you like a super long, like whip antenna almost. There you go. So if you've got like, if you actually use these for camping or overlanding or something, like my goodness, that's crazy. Of course, it's going to be the same inside here, but
channel mode.
But I mean, now you could probably really pick up. So I got this off Amazon, and you know what? It wasn't that much. Like literally, this was not very expensive. This was cheaper than buying a CB, and I got two. I got two radios. So I got one for me, and then one for my spotter, or one from one of my buddies that comes with me, or my wife. I think it's pretty cool. And this you just leave like that for now, so you've got an antenna on there. So there you go. All that. I think it was like 60 bucks or something ridiculous like that. Anyways, we shall see, and we'll do some videos and testing on it. Thanks for watching.